Hello, YouTube. Today is August 7th, and I'm going to update you. Yesterday, I applied to three blogger jobs, three writing jobs on ProBlogger.com, which is a great website if you're just getting started as a blogger and you're looking for quick jobs. The reason why is you're not going to have to cold email somebody and convince them to hire you. And this is great, especially if you're getting started um, and don't have a huge portfolio. I still look at ProBlogger. There's not usually it's mid-range pay. It's not like the $200 to $400 blog post gigs. Most likely you'll get $50 to $100 a gig. Sometimes you'll come up with blog post gigs that are like, yeah, 2-3 cents. I mean, that's more common actually on like Fiverr or Upwork. Yeah, stay off of Upwork. You're going to be bidding yourself down, 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 and getting peanuts. It's not a good place to start. I'm going to tell you the website that I like to look for jobs first and foremost, but I end up putting a lot more effort into applying to positions for the startups on Angellist. And I'm going to take you through the process and show you why I like Angellist. It's already people who are looking for copywriters. And the other thing is, startups are more likely to give somebody with little experience a chance, especially if you can send them a sample that shows that you can do the work. Um, look at their blog, see what they already have, and um, create a sample that goes along with it, or do some research and find out, hey, your competition has this. You need to rank for this keyword as well. And here's some topics that I think you should write about. So that's a great place to get started. So I'm going to minimize myself so I can see my screen and show you what you can look for. So this is my little profile. When you're on Angellist, let's see, angellist.co/jobs. You go into jobs, you should be looking in like marketing, content creator. You could also look at growth hacker or marketing manager. The difference between those two is you're going to have to deal with their analytics. They're going to want you to create Facebook ads that are effective, and so you have to have that skill as well. Marketing manager, you may be actually managing other writers, which is fine if you are willing to edit their work and assign them stuff. You can look for full-time, mostly or fully remote. Another great thing I was told to do is their funding. You want to make sure you get paid. Series A, those are going to be the companies that definitely, oh, it brought it back down to one startup, that definitely have the money. They have the funding, they have the backing, they're a little bit more established. So, and for location, like, let's say Virginia. Ah, I took away everything. United States. Sometimes it's funny using these searches and eliminating things. Series A, now we're up to 35. If we do full time, we've got 1,431 startups. So that's fine. A lot of content creator positions, writer positions are going to be remote anyway. Remote possible. See. And then you just scroll through and you look specialty content creator. Sometimes these numbers that they put in for the salary, it's not accurate. I applied to one that was an internship that I thought was unpaid and they were going to pay. So Take it with a grain of salt. Look for things that you're interested in and try to specialize in a niche. Like for me, I don't do writing on trading because it's going to require more research and more effort. Um, think blockchain, think us. Oh, I don't know anything about blockchain. I am not getting into writing about that. So, you can go through. It will take a little bit to weed out some of the things, but it's great to connect with these startups. They're more likely to give you referrals and they're more likely to give you a chance. So that's the other thing. Um, LinkedIn. So where else have I been finding these jobs? So I'm a member of AWAI, and AWI is America's Writers and Artists Inc. And let's see, they have networking, member benefits. They have resources. I think I clearly the direct response jobs. I don't use this one that much, to be honest. I know there are great ones there. ProBlogger is another great one I said, but like I said, it's, mid-range. And you can see August 7th, every day new jobs come out on ProBlogger. August 7th, charming, witty, and a great writer? Keep reading. Experienced CV writer. Now here's something that would be interesting for me, B2B techie content writer. Long-term remote for web analysts. I did apply for that yesterday. Um, I think these ones in blue are like the paid advertisements, like they're desperately seeking somebody. Content editor. Long-term writer for home and garden tips. Freelance content copywriter and blogging badass. Oh, let's take a look at that one. Just for fun. What? Hey, we're Fat Joe. Are you ready to come join our remarkable copywriting team? What you'll be doing? You can expect assigned writing projects on different niches. That can be a red flag because different niches tend to mean you're going to be like, yeah, paid mid-range on work. Uh, Consistent workloads. That's always nice when you're starting out. And the type of work they want to Fat Joe writers need a flair for research and no fear of the niche. You'll be able to communicate. Need to be available daily so we can communicate projects with you. Da 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 da. Huh. So that's an interesting one. I don't think I applied for that. I've applied for Fat Joe before, but this is a new. But I think it was months ago, and I think this is a new position. Anywho, LinkedIn is a great site for networking. That's going to be a site where you probably are going to be finding people to cold email. I have looked at their jobs before. And since I've searched for jobs before in content writing, content writer, paid media specialist, freelance editor, see they come up. But I will warn you, with the LinkedIn jobs, a lot of times they aren't looking for remote, and I kind of like working remotely. I love working remotely, actually. Copywriter for Adobe. So yeah, there's tons. Writer, content marketer. See, there's just thousands. Other place that's been sending me jobs is ZipRecruiter. And Indeed. I wouldn't trust them so much because they've also been sending me customer service jobs. I went for a customer service job yesterday, but they had advertised it as a marketing job. It was so crazy. Um, so Indeed, you can find stuff. They'll just send you lists of jobs every day. And you can sort through some of them and maybe you'll find one or two in the writing section that fits what you want. I don't know, maybe I'm just not good at Indeed just yet. But they're job search boards, and as you can see, plenty, plenty of opportunity for copywriters online, blog post writers. There's lots of opportunities and lots of places to look for them. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. And like I said, I'm doing my due diligence in terms of applying for jobs, and I do have some gigs now, but I want to get that retainer client by the end of the month. And that's why I'm doing videos, to keep me on track and accountable. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. You can like, comment, and subscribe below if you want. Love ya. Bye.